So I've got a bit of an update for you guys tonight. There was a bit of oversight on my part in the design phase. So where do I begin? We were so close. The V-twin was about to be lifted into the chassis and it was about to run. Well, we had to still wire the loom up, but we're going to take it for a quick ride down the street and it was going to be awesome. But last minute, we went to put the sprocket on. Don't ask questions about this is nasty, but don't you worry. Anyways, sprocket went on and it doesn't clear this. The rivets on the chain knock these little raised portions. So I have to actually remove this whole thing 1 mil back from this face and remove all of this. Now, the plan was to put it in the mini bike and go for a ride, but it is not going to happen that way. I had the whole motor set up on here, assembled and all, and I was gonna machine all that clearance. It was real janky. It was on 2 parallels, and you know, I thought I'll sleep on that thought because the last thing I want to do is destroy my motor this late in the game. So that's where I'm at. I've got to pull the whole thing apart, take it to the mill, machine off that 1 millimeter, put it all back together for the millionth time, and then I can put it in the bike and finally take it for a ride.